Hi friends, let's unbox BTR11 from FiiO. So this is BTR11 and its price is just 20 US dollar. So let's unbox it. So you can see that this is a tiny small box and it's FiiO BTR11 and it's going to be very popular item from FiiO because it's very cheap, just 20 US dollar. So let's unbox it and then I'll share my first impressions with you guys and review also. So friends, that's it. That's what you get in the box. And first of all, I really like the design. It's the white color is actually very beautiful. It's like snow white and it's really beautiful color. I really like it. And it's very small size Bluetooth amp and it's very compact and very beautiful looking and it's very lightweight. So without further ado, let me test it and then I'll come back. Hi viewers, I am reviewing this FiiO BTR11 after 1 week use and straight to point, I am really impressed. This is my first ever Bluetooth dongle and I really like it. Look at the size of this dongle. It's very small and it's beautiful and it's very lightweight as well. And the clip is also attached and it fits wherever you try to hang it. And now coming to its performance. There is no need for longer review. It's actually a very good product and even without a single review published, it has more than 500 sales on AliExpress, which is very impressive. And most importantly, because it's very cheap, just 20 US dollar. And as far as the sound quality is concerned, it's very impressive because it's natural, very balanced sound without any change. And what's surprising for me is that it easily runs and powers most of the high-end earphones. I used it with Dance Chimkara and FiiO FT1 and many others, and the sound was same as wired. It's really impressive. But according to my review, it absolutely doesn't amplify the sound. It's just same as wired, but here it's wireless, which is still very impressive for a 20 US dollar product. And here is the most asked question: does it support calls through it? The answer is yes. It has built-in microphone support, which is a great relief for a lot of people. And the battery life of BTR11 is also very great. According to FiiO, it's 15 hours with just 1 hour charge. And with my own test and observation, it's absolutely true. That's the end of my short review. I recommend it. It's a fun size dongle and everyone will love it. It's just 12 gram, very small and easy to carry. Bluetooth connectivity is fast and stable. Sound is also balanced and it also supports two devices simultaneously. So it provides a lot of great comfort and good experience in just $20. So use my discount codes in the description for more better experience. Thank you.